Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 46 of my PySimpleGUI lessons. This is a continuation of the last lesson. In the last lesson, we defined the layout for the calculator, but we didn't create what happens in the event loop. We will finish the calculator in this lesson. Okay, let's put last lesson's code in. Okay, so we can define the keys for text and input. So we can write for text box key equals, can write show, and then for the input can write key equals input. All right, now let's see how this works. We can print event and values. We can run this. Okay, now if we click a button, it will show the event, which is event. So I clicked 1, so it would be 1. And if we would notice, whatever we do, input doesn't change. So we need to do stuff for the buttons. First, we can do if event in list, and then do a string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we can also do equals plus minus, oh wait, we can't do equals, sorry, plus minus 2 brackets and period or decimal. And then if it's this, then we do window, the key is input here, so we input dot update values input plus event. So we're just adding whatever button is clicked to the end of the input. Next, we can write, because there's also like the plus, the percentage, multiplication, division, equals, and clear that we still need to write. So we do if event equals multiplication x, then this would be window input dot update values input plus star, because Python only recognizes star as multiplication. Then we can do if event equals division, okay, the division event equals division, then we can do window input dot update values, and then this time we add this, like the slash, backward slash. That's what Python recognizes as division. And we do percentage. If event equals percentage, then since we can't just show divide by 100, we need to actually calculate what the percentage is. We do update. This time we do string, and then eval shows we need to calculate. We do values input plus divide by 100. I'll show you that, and we can run that later. And then if event equals sign, then window dot update. This time we can just do string eval values, and we don't have to do plus 100 at the end because we're just doing equals. And then the last one is if event equals clear. If that happens, we do windows dot update and then just something blank. All right, let's run this. So if we try 1 plus 1, this would be 2. So that's right. And then 2 minus, okay, clearing this works. And then 2 minus 1 equals 1. All right. So we try percentage. What's percentage? The percentage of 40 is 0.4. Okay, so percentage works. And then we can do 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, so divide also works. But let's try something else. If we just run it and click the percentage, then it'll say invalid syntax. We don't want the window to close if something bad happens, so we need to fix that. We can use try and accept. So we can do try this, but however, if something, we can do accept, and then we want the input box to be cleared. So we do window dot update, and then we just do a blank string. But remember the text at the top, we also want this to print out syntax error. Window dot update syntax error. Oh wait, with string, and then we can copy and paste this to the division percentage, but this we need to add a plus 100 at plus divide by 100 at the end for this. So we do that, and let's make sure it works. So if we just press percentage, it shows syntax error. All right, and then now if we do something like 1 divided by 0, okay, 1 divided by 0, it would show syntax error as well. So this works. And then if we do 8 plus 1 times 5, it's 13. So the brackets also work. Forgot to show that. Alright, that concludes lesson 46 of my lessons on PySimpleGUI. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. And remember, learning at work for tuition is easier than addition.